Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a VPN extension in Firefox. I'll guide you step by step, so it's easy to follow, even if you've never used a VPN before. The first step is choosing a VPN. For this tutorial, I recommend Surfshark. Surfshark is fast, secure, and reliable. It works with streaming platforms, websites, and other online services. One of its best features is that it allows unlimited devices on a single account. It also comes with strong privacy protection, including encryption, a kill switch, and an ad blocker. If you want to try Surfshark at a great price, you can check the link in the description below. Once you've decided to use Surfshark, start by going to the Surfshark website by clicking the link in the description and signing up for an account. After creating your account, go to the browser section of the website and select the option to add the Surfshark extension for Firefox. Firefox will take you to the official Firefox Add-ons page. Click on the Add to Firefox button. Firefox will ask you to confirm the installation, so click Add when prompted. Once the extension is added, you will see the Surfshark icon appear in the top right corner of your browser. Click the Surfshark icon to open the extension. Log in using the credentials you created when signing up on the Surfshark website. After logging in, you'll see a list of server locations and a large Connect button. You can select a country you want to connect to, then click Connect. Surfshark will quickly establish a secure connection through your browser. Once connected, your Firefox browser is ready to browse safely. You can access websites, streaming platforms, and content that may be restricted in your region. To confirm that the VPN is working, you can visit a site that shows your IP address, and it should display the location of the server you selected rather than your real location. Using a VPN in Firefox is simple and gives you privacy while browsing. You can switch servers anytime by clicking the extension icon and choosing a different location. Surfshark also protects all your data while using the browser, so your online activity stays secure. That's it for this video. If you want to try Surfshark at a great price, check the link in the description below.